Jang'ad bura mado mamalo mogik mosenindo Mohammed Ibrahim oiki kawuono e kar kaburi ma Kariokoo e bore Nairobi. Mohammed nyotho nyoro bang' tuore kuom kinde machuok maneno gai mar doho e kinde mokalo David Maraga kod jotelo mamoko moriwo jotelo machon ma migawo ma jotije piny owacho Justin Muturi nochopo e nyasi mar ik mare. Gipuoyo mosenindo Ibrahim kaka jago mane tiyo tije maonge ndonya konchiel.
We have come here today to rest. Somebody for some of us who was not only a close friend, but somebody I worked with for a long time. While I was in private practice, we did cases with Ibrahim. Many times he was on the opposite side, and I did, and we came to the judiciary almost at the same time. He was recruited to the judiciary like 6 months before me, and I joined. And later on, when I was CJ, I joined him in the Supreme Court.
But among the most outstanding things about Judge Mohammed Ibrahim is his commitment to the values of dignity, values of human rights. Some of which saw him in his early days as a practitioner get into trouble with the government of the day, earning him some detention in the process.